Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your data with Tableau. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. Once your data source is loaded, navigate to the worksheet. Select the dimensions and measures you want to analyze. Start by dragging a dimension to the rows shelf. Then drag a measure to the columns shelf. This will create a basic visualization. Examine the data for any obvious discrepancies. To verify your data, you can use Tableau's built-in functions. Create a calculated field to compare your values. Click on Analysis in the top menu and select Create Calculated Field. In the dialog box, enter a name for your calculated field. Use a simple formula to compare the two values. For instance, if you want to check for duplicates, you might use Count, your field, 1. Click OK to create the calculated field. Now, drag this new calculated field onto the rows shelf. Look for any values that indicate discrepancies. You can also use filters to focus on specific segments of your data. Apply filters to narrow down the information you're verifying. Check the summary statistics in the data pane for further insights. To visualize trends, create a line chart by dragging a date field to the columns shelf. Now add measures to the rows shelf to see how they trend over time. Use color coding to highlight outliers in your data. Select the color shelf and set a distinct color for high and low values. Validate your data by cross-referencing with original sources. Create a dashboard to display important metrics at a glance. Add all relevant visualizations to the dashboard. Finally, review your findings to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to your data as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.